Today we are going to solve a math problem that looks easy, but almost everyone gets it wrong. The question is 5 minus 7 times the bracket 5 minus 7. Now, many people look at this and quickly say, the answer must be 4. But that's the trap. Why do so many people fall for it? Because they forget the most important rule in math, the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. That means we solve parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. So let's apply that rule step by step. Inside the parentheses, we have 5 minus 7. That equals -2. So the expression becomes 5 minus 7 times -2. Now comes multiplication. 7 times -2 is -14. So the expression is 5 minus -14. And here is where many people make another mistake. Subtracting a negative is not the same as subtracting a positive. Subtracting a negative means we actually add. So 5 minus -14 becomes 5 plus 14. And that gives us the final result, 19. So the correct answer is not 4, but 19. Most people who rush miss this step, but now you know the trick. Now here's a challenge for you. What would be the answer to 5 minus 9 times the bracket 5 minus 9? Think carefully before you answer, and drop your solution in the comments. If you enjoyed this problem, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more math tricks.